Sage, did you lock the door?
I think so. Hang on. No, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Good.
Perfect.
You'll never get us.
Zippers go in the front. Notice how there's a big hole to put a lock through, right? So I can lock the zipper, lock my bag, everything is secure, but I could just open this flap and have access to the whole bag, even when the zipper is closed.
I've been using this lock at the gym for months, and I found out that it's fucking useless.
I'm sorry, but the door is locked, so you'll have to wait until tomorrow.
Did you know that if you lock yourself out of your TSA lock suitcase and you can't remember the code, you can buy the TSA lock on Amazon? Now I just have to replace the stupid thing that the Southwest people broke.